Understanding, consider this, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English learning video. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, consider this. This common English phrase is used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help you in both your listening and speaking skills. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it effectively. Consider this is a phrase used to introduce a new point, idea, or perspective. It's like saying, think about this idea, or take this into account. The speaker is inviting the listener to contemplate a specific thought or suggestion. It's often used to introduce something that the listener might not have thought of on their own. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In a debate, consider this. If we reduce working hours, employee productivity might actually increase. 2. In everyday conversation, you don't want to go to the beach? Well, consider this. The weather forecast says it will be sunny and warm all day. 3. In academic discussions, consider this theory in light of recent scientific discoveries. Each example shows how consider this introduces a new point or idea relevant to the ongoing discussion. It's important to know when to use this phrase. Here are some tips. Use it when you have a new idea or perspective to share. It's perfect for persuasive conversations where you want someone to think about your point of view. Avoid using it too frequently in casual conversations, as it might seem overly formal or assertive. I hope this video helps you understand how to use consider this in your English conversations. Remember, it's all about introducing new ideas and perspectives in a thoughtful way. Keep practicing, and you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.